Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to show or hide hidden files in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click the Start menu, and click on File Explorer, or press the Windows key, plus E to open File Explorer. Now click on the three dots icon, then click on Options. Alternatively, go to the search bar and search for File Explorer options and open it. Then go to the View tab and find the Hidden Files and Folders section. Choose Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives, or don't show hidden files, folders, or drives, based on what you want to do. Lastly, click on Apply and then OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.